Hi, welcome to our screencast on the Gift Acceptance Guide. Accepting gifts is a routine activity in the Department of State's conduct of diplomacy. We exchange gifts with our partners around the world to demonstrate and promote cooperation, honor, and respect. When our partners give us gifts, we must determine under what circumstances the gifts can be accepted in compliance with ethical and legal rules. Enter the Gift Acceptance Guide, a mobile app for navigating the decision-making process for accepting a gift. The app enables us to navigate a series of prompts and reach a decision whether to accept a gift or decline it. We will walk you through how to find the app and use it. To start, log into the FSI Learn Center. Then scroll down the main page until you see the Read More button. Click the Read More button. Under FSI Custom Mobile Apps, click on FSI App Store. On the Home for Mobile Applications page, scroll down to the DOS Gift Acceptance Guide and click on the title. To learn how to install the app on a mobile device, click on the FAQ in the top banner. It will give you all the details you need to know. For technical help with installing the app, you can click on Contact FSI Mobile Help at the bottom banner under the department seal. The app also works on your desktop by clicking Preview on Mobile. For the purpose of this screencast, that's the way that we'll use the app. Go ahead and click on Preview on Mobile. Notice the email address at the very start of the app to consult with an ethics attorney. Department ethics attorneys are here to support your decision making, so please contact them if you need. Of course, management officers serve as the primary contact at post for questions about whether and how we may accept a gift. To use the app, just click Begin. All you do now is answer the questions that are presented at the top of the screen. So, who is the gift to? Let's choose Employee. Who is the gift from? Let's choose Foreign Government or International Organization. If you made an incorrect choice, just click the back arrow in the banner on the top left. Let's choose Foreign Government or International Organization again. For the question, which of the following applies, let's say the U.S. fair market value of the gift is less than $390. So click the top choice. And voila, the app gives you the decision. If you want more details, you can click on the hyperlink to the Foreign Affairs Manual here. Let's talk about the two buttons in the banner on the top right. The first button that looks like a group of 4 boxes is a great tool. Clicking on it shows you how you reach the decision. If you click on Export, it creates a PDF file that you can save and share with others to show them how you reached the decision. The second button that looks like a clockwise arrow takes you back to the starting point of the decision-making process, which is where we started this demo. It's that simple. That's all the app does. Thanks for watching our screencast on the Gift Acceptance Guide. We hope you find the app useful.